Recording.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Brand. Are you seriously
I'm recording!
Okay, good. Don't press your hand off the button. Don't touch anything, don't touch nothing. Alright?
My hand's
Cool.
out here, don't worry.
Alright, cool. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a very special product to me, mainly because I've had this piece of crap machine for a while. This is an Xbox 360S. It's really a good machine at the time. Now the fan is blowing out. Nothing's really working properly. So I upgraded, not to the X, but to the S. And we got it in a bundle pack. Xbox One S, Sea of Thieves, 1 terabyte. And this one actually has a really good deal because I got this for $250. That's awesome. And that's actually still going on. I don't know how long Xbox is going to have the deal going for, but we'll see what happens when time comes. Right, Gary?
Yep.
Alright, cool. Let's crack into this because I'm actually excited for this because my brother has one, now I have one. Am I cutting this properly? Am I doing this right, Gary?
Yeah, you're doing it right.
Are you sure?
Yep.
What happens if I break it?
If you break it, you gotta return it.
What the hell? Can you see me or can you see the machine?
I can see both of you.
Oh, Jesus. What did I do wrong?
Everything.
Oh, I ripped the box.
You're struggling.
Well, there was tape on the bottom of the box. I completely forgot about that. Look, come in here. Zoom in here. Whoops. That's fine. Pardon my for not knowing how to do that.
Hey, language.
Jeez, Lord Murphy.
Just cut it.
It's about time. Let's actually save this. I want to try to save this. If I can. Alright, cool. Now that we got a majority of the box destroyed, you can take this out. I don't really have enough room here. The first thing on the bottom of the box, did I miss something? What's this? Okay, cool. So this right here apparently is the game.
Yep.
Cool. The downloadable content. I've heard with some games they actually are a lot longer to download. Hopefully this one doesn't even take an hour. Hopefully not. Are you getting this, bro?
Yep, I'm getting it. Oh.
Holy. I have not seen the white one in person yet. I am extremely excited for this. Put that on the floor really quick. Get the rest of this out. This must be the controllers and wires and stuff. Yep. The wire. I actually really like nowadays that this wire doesn't have that giant bulky brick. It's served as a external power source. I don't really know why they did this in the first place. Xbox +1 for that. You've had one of these, right?
Yep.
If you can help me how to do this, that would be fantastic. So we got their, oh, this is nice. They include an HDMI cable. Because this one actually can also go up to 4K in gaming, which I actually really like, which I can probably get my TV to do it. The highest in that is 1080p. Again, not quite sure. Here's a new controller. Let's take a look at this together. How's the camera looking here? Is it looking good?
Pretty good.
Awesome. Oh! That is nice. Get up close up of that. That is slick. That is awesome. I love this colorway. And then the batteries are right in here too. We'll set that up a little bit later. Everything's out of the box except for, well, the quick start guide, I guess. Alright, mostly all this stuff kind of here on the floor. And let's take up the main console itself. I've always wanted one of these things and now I finally do. You ready, Gary?
I'm ready, let's see it.
Ready for me to fail? So I apparently don't know how to open packaging.
I'm sorry, how many packages have you got?
Look up here.
Exactly. Those, let's not forget. Red one's right there.
Yep.
About another 20 things in this one. At least, probably.
Oh! Let's flip it around. I love this white color.
Okay.
That is amazing. You have to admit, Charlie, what do you think?
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice. Right back here, you have your HDMI out, HDMI in. You can plug a USB port into it, like, for example, your iPhone or anything. You got all the other ports back here, even the fun stuff. This is a surreal moment for me. You gotta admit, Gary, this is...
Yeah, this is special for you. This is really special.
Look, over here. This machine, see how this looks old and clunky? It's like being a big piece of crap?
Yep.
It's not really a big piece of crap, it works, but it's just not as high end as this. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is good. Can't put the camera on me. Let's look at the star. Do I look good?
Yeah, you look good.
You sure?
Yep.
Because I know you like to lie to me.
Let me zoom in a little bit there.
Anyways, I think this was kind of fun. What are we rolling out for time?
6 minutes, 45 seconds.
That's actually better than I would have thought. Jeez, damn. Let's check everything else in here really quick. We got controller and this. I love that. The way that looks. That looks nice. That looks really, really nice. What do you have to admit? Nice. I have to admit that. So, you guys, I appreciate you coming by and checking this video and all the other videos. I appreciate all the support you guys have given me over the past couple months and weeks. It's been awesome. We're almost at 900 subscribers. Let's keep that going. Geary, thank you for filming.
No problem.
Let's plug this thing in and get it rolling, and I'll do some separate videos on this stuff too. Anyways, you guys, again, thank you for coming by, and until next time, guys, make sure to stay tuned for more. Geary, cut the camera.
All right.